on my 2005 Chevy Trailblazer. I'm gonna be installing a new intake. I got an AirAid intake for it. I'll show you right now what it looks like. And this is what I'm going to install and replace for this right here. Gonna start off with taking out these 3 Phillips head screwdrivers, and then take off the sensors, take off this, take off this right here. When you loosen those bolts, this big piece comes off, and then you can take this out over there, grab this over there. And then what I'm gonna do next is just figure out how to take this bottom piece off, take the sensor off, and loosen it up. And then I'm gonna start to install the next. All I had to do to install is I had a rubber garment. I had to put it here and here to put my 2 sensors in. I had a sensor for the air temperature, I guess. And then I guess wherever this is, I have this here, put the weather strip on this. Basically done. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching, guys.